Welcome to my quick tip series, 5 ways to win multiple offers in a red hot Silicon Valley market. You don't have to be the best price and you don't have to be all cash, but you will want to follow these proven tips. I'm Shannon Ellison with the Walker team of Intero. Let's talk about how you can get a house when competing against so many other people. Tip number 1 is the research. Writing an offer blind is not just ill-advised, it quite often results in many unforeseen problems.
I'm bathing it in this mixture.
Fully go through all of the seller's personal disclosures and provided inspections, looking for red flags and not only possible issues, but positive attributes. You want to know exactly what you're getting into and all the possible costs necessary upgrades might be. A good realtor should have quality contractors at their disposal. Additionally, know the sales comparables, most importantly the pending sales, which are the most telling of the current market activity. Being prepared with all of these important pieces puts you in the best position to take the next step, and we'll discuss that in tomorrow's episode, the preparation. Join me tomorrow and please leave your comments and thoughts below. I'll see you guys tomorrow.